Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we are out in the middle of this small, very small private cemetery. And I'm seeing everything from Civil War area all the way to 2024, last year. I remember when they were having something and there was people here and they were digging a grave. But funny part is, though, is the other day I saw some ladies here actually putting out this for Memorial Day. The flags and everything, and so I stopped by and chatted with them, and their family is here. They've lived here all their lives, and I believe this, if I'm not mistaken, is their family right here. It's a family plot. Now, the church, the Bethel Church, is supposed to be taking care of this. They were not, how do I put this? They were not the most happy with the way they've been taking care of it. They're supposed to be taking care of it, but yet the families and stuff that maintains it are still coming out here cutting, weed eating, paying to have somebody cut and weed eat. So they jumped at the chance when I said I would like to clean some of the gravestones. So they're like, great, please, because it's not getting taken care of. Some of them are in real bad shape. Some of them are really dirty. Like this one, you can't even read any of this. Some of them are in really good shape. Some of the newer ones, in the 80s and stuff, are in really good shape, but some of them are a real mess. So this is what we're going to be doing. This one says 1928, and it's just green. It's really green. It's in good shape, but it's really green. That looks like a marble. So what we're going to be doing is, I've got on order, there's two things that is always suggested from research. Never use pressure. Never use bleach. Be careful what water you use. If you use water, try to use rainwater or perhaps captured rainwater or filtered water. Try not to use like really strong municipal water if you can keep from it, because it has a lot of junk in it. That wouldn't be good for some of this stuff. A lot of people use it, but it wouldn't. Never use pressure. Never use pressure. So I've got on order some Monumental, which is a quaternary base cleaner. And as soon as it comes in, we're going to come out and just slowly start cleaning each one of these. My goal is, clean them slowly. Get a chance to see, who these folks are, and eventually have this whole place cleaned up for them. They'll appreciate it, and I get some practice and get to learn a little bit and doing my research now. D2 is a very popular cleaner for this type of thing. It's also a quaternary. There's another one that's an enzyme cleaner that's here in Nashville, but I don't know if I trust their chemicals as much as I would other folks' chemicals for this type of deal. So I want to make sure, what is used, it will not hurt at all any of the stones or the markers. So right now I just took some pictures of some of the stones, and when I do a video, we'll do a video of that particular stone, the shape, who it is and things like that, and then we'll do the cleaning, and then we'll come back and visit that, 2 weeks, a month, a couple of months, because most of the time the cleaners for this type thing are not like instantaneous. If you want it instantaneous, you use bleach, but it is going to absolutely destroy and damage the headstone, and you never want to do that. Never want to do that, because these are permanent. These are here for as long as we're here on Earth. So we want these to be here as long after we're gone. So you don't want to have anything that's going to degrade them to the point that they'll disappear, and then you end up with, something like whatever this is. Which I have no clue. It's nothing on it. So we'll have to research that. But anyway, that's what we're doing. That's what we'll be doing. Oh, this is interesting. This one looks like a Masonic symbol on it, like a mason. That's interesting. Huh. And that one is from 1899. From January 20th of 1829, died June 20th of 1899. So far, that's one of the oldest ones I've seen here, but I suspect there's older. So this one we really want to take care of. This stone's been here since 1899, and this is 2024. This one's been here since 1905, and it's 2024. Oh, I'm sorry, no, it's not. It's 2025. So we want to make sure these stones are here long after we're gone, so that somebody else can come and learn about somebody and, you know, things like that. 2001, so relatively new. 1997. So some of these are newer. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. As soon as the stuff comes in from I think it's Southeast South Forest. I'll have to double check that. We'll be starting this little project. This is a little personal project, not a paid project, but a personal project. And I want to make sure that I learn enough so that we don't do any damage. We get them clean, and then I can just come in and maintenance clean them with a light mix, and they'll be happy. There's something else the ladies, the family members don't have to worry about or keep on their mind. At least that will be done for them. Anyway, Tim Moore, TLC Presure Washing.